My name is Paul Kardaschow. Along with my wife Angel, we're the owner-operators of Kards Inc.
We're a big truck body shop. We've been in business for just over 5 years.
My name is Matt Jers. I am the customer service manager here at Kards Inc. I'm also the lead painter.
Last year in Elkhart, we went to Coachman RV Builder, and during that time they had a segment where they promote new products coming in the pipeline. And LV151 was discussed, direct to metal, and it really piqued our interest because we run through those things.
It was just a game changer for us. We drove home and that's all we could talk about, and we haven't looked back since.
We love the product. I mean, it was really kind of a game changer.
We were having issues before with having to do 5 or 6 coats to get the coverage we needed, and this stuff just went on so much better.
You don't want to go over something 4 times. You want to be able to paint it once, boom, let it sit.
The one thing that sticks out to us is Axo kept saying we're more than paint in a can. And they've really backed the talk for the last 4 years.
I love that we can color match anything that's in our system, solid color. That's amazing.
You don't want to have a paint that you're going to have to spray over and over again every 5, 7 years. You want something that's going to last, to be durable and cost effective at the same time.
Price is something that's important, but it's not the deciding factor. So it's not, hey, I want the cheapest paint, but I've got to use 6 or 7 times the amount of that paint to accomplish the same thing I might with a paint that might be a little more expensive.
Actually, we were talking about it last night, and if I had to be honest, I probably wouldn't recommend it so that they wouldn't have my competition.
You want to have something that's going to lay down good, set up good, have good coverage the first time you lay it down, not something you want to go back over a bunch of times.
So when I see LV151 being sprayed on wheels, I notice the overall coverage is way better than the other products we've used in the past.
Direct to metal, perfect, clean it, shoot it, one product, doesn't run, absolutely perfect.